Beep, beep, beep.
I can't see you out there.
Wait, this is the coolest. Madison showed me this.
Do it like Bernie.
Wait, I wonder if I can jump the curtain. And they ask me when I call in on Monday to work, tell them I'm sick.
You're such a pro.
Yeah.